All right, everyone. Here we are with ticker symbol SRNE, Sorrento Therapeutics Inc. And before I jump into this chart, welcome to all my first-time viewers and investors. Welcome to my channel, and I hope you find this video helpful and informative. To all my subscribers, welcome back, and let's jump into this chart. So Sorrento had a bearish run for some time. We're finally seeing Sorrento have some pullback in an upward direction, and it hit highs of about $20 and some change. So I want you guys to keep that number in mind. This really has to break that number to see new highs and hit new resistance levels. But before getting there, obviously we got a lot of other things to zoom in on. But very bearish run here for quite some time. We had seen it for almost a whole entire month and almost a month and a week. So about 30 to 40 days of this bearish run, kind of tackling up and down between the bulls and the bears to go ahead and win possession. And every time the bulls had a recovery, the bears came and tore them down till finally here on September 14th, they had a run, leveled off, and had another strong run. A lot of people are saying about the FDA approval and also the phase one and so forth. All the great news has been actually what has caused this catalyst, and it reached highs of $11.29. Very important right now in a more zoomed in picture out of everything we just saw in the chart. 11.29 is the most significant resistance level right now at this point in this run and recovery for the bulls to continue to work their way up towards $20. But before getting there, we're going to obviously zoom in and look at what's important for tomorrow. Resistance level was broken through significantly, and quickly the bears reappeared and leveled off. But we started here at 869 and leveled off at 929. Let's go ahead and move this resistance level to its new locations and support. So 50-day moving average is below the price, so that's a good sign for the bulls. This is at 853. That's the 50-day moving average. As long as the bulls stay above it, they are in control of this chart and have the opportunity to go ahead and start to work their way up to newer highs. Now, if 853 gets crossed, this is then going deeper into bearish territory, and the bears can start to gain possession. Let's go ahead and look here as we can see what our resistance level is and which one's the first one that the bulls want to break through. After closing at 929, the bulls are going to want to break through 957. Very, very important. Before this can even test newer highs and reach new levels of resistance, the bulls need to break through 957 to continue this bullish run and go ahead and turn it into support to start to work their way up to newer highs. Once accomplishing that, the next point would be 1129, and if 1129 can get broken through, this will start to see new highs and new resistance levels. But before getting there, 957 needs to be broken through. And for the bulls to even maintain possession onto bullish territory, they need to break through 957 because this stock starts to pull further away from the 50-day moving average, and that's going to keep them in bullish territory. And the best way to do that is by breaking through resistance levels and turning them into supports. Now, if the bulls aren't able to accomplish that and this hangs out sideways and the bears decide to reappear, then the bears are going to want to break through the support level, and that support level is 906. If this support gets broken through, they're just getting closer and closer to the 50-day moving average. Doesn't mean that the bears have gained control and that they fully have control here, but 906 being broken through is something to pay very close attention to, because this 50-day moving average of 853 will continue to start to work its way up closer to the stock price, causing it by default or easier for the bears to cross it and get into bearish territory. So 906 is something I pay very close attention to. It's not that far away from the 50-day moving average. I pay close attention to how this stock reacts in between the 50-day moving average and the support, and are the bulls trying to reappear and bring this one back up. As always, if you learned something new and found this video helpful and informative, and you feel encouraged or inclined to subscribe, please do so. But don't forget to click on the bell by turning on all notifications to not miss a single video that I post. Share this with your friends and community. And don't forget to hit the like button and let me know you watched this video. And thank you guys so much for watching. Let's make some money.